Hey, what's up everybody? So in front of you we have the Homvana ultrasonic humidifier model H104. We're going to give you a full unboxing of it and a quick overview, but before we start, do want to let you know that we do make a small commission when you do click on links and make a purchase. So definitely click on those links, make a purchase, and definitely help us out. So again, this is the Homvana model H104 ultrasonic humidifier with adjustable mist, mood lights, aroma diffuser, and a timer. This has a 3.5 liter capacity and 40 hours. Timer of 2, 4, 6, 9, and 11. So inside you get your little quick guide. You have your power plug. Inside you also get your user manual, 2 replacement essential oil pads, a cleaning brush, and another one. And here it is. So at the top, this is where you lift off, and this is where you place the water. This here is where the mist comes out. You have your max fill line. On the back you have your power adapter, which it plugs into. Here is where you place in your diffuser oil. And on the front you have your dial and timer button and a light button. So let's go ahead and plug this in. And inside it has some water. So go ahead and put on the lid. Go ahead and plug in the power adapter, and you can see lights cycle through. So on the front, you have a little display here. So when you turn it, it gives you the strength. So max is 9 and lowest is 0, which is essentially off. But 1, it would be the lowest. You have a light button, which is all these, but a light and timer are touch. So as you press them, you cycle through. And then if you press timer, it changes. So you got 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, 9, and 11. So these are all consecutive, running, and it shuts off after a certain time. So right now it's set to 1. And I'll bump it up to 9, which is the max. And you can rotate however you want. So if I don't want the light, I'll just hold it down. And you can see it's blinking and just let go. So now you have no light, but it's still working. And if you want to turn it off, simply just turn the dial until it hits 0, and you have a dash, and now it's off. No mist, no nothing, and that's it. So that's the Homvana humidifier, model H104. Till next time, see ya.